So the first step is get your baby fingers and tuck away your other fingers. Bring them underneath the lace and close them around the lace. Now get your pincer grips on either side, index and thumb. On this side, we're going to go underneath the lace. And on this side, we're going to go over the lace. Now you've got your two laces. I want you to get your pincer grip on this side and grab the lace in the middle. Roll the lace off the top of the finger on the other side and pull fast. Good job. That was really well done. Now let's open them out again and practice again. So pull the two hard parts so it opens out. Baby fingers go under, close them, pincer grip under, pincer grip over, grab, roll off and pull. Super. Now, if it doesn't stay closed like this, let's try and do a double knot. For a double knot, you need to pinch your two bunny ears. Your middle finger needs to lie on the knot while you wrap one bunny ear around the back of the other one and make an X. Take out your middle finger and push that lace from the back through the hole, grab it on the other side, grab your other lace and pull tight. There you have it, all done. If you found this way really difficult, go check out my other videos and I'm sure you'll find another way that will suit you. Good luck!